after you win the project and prior to, let's say, a couple of months prior to trim phase, maybe a month before you order the keypads, our suggestion is lay it out in Design Center, lay each particular keypad out in Design Center, include the graving, and then meet with the client because you're the expert. They hired you, the integrator, as the consultant on the home. You're the lighting control expert. Walk them through what you think the buttons should say or do. And then this allows the client to make immediate changes, give you immediate feedback on, one client you might say recessed as recessed lighting. One client might say hi-hats. One client might say cans. So there's different ways of preferences each client might want, but at least it starts the conversation. So when you're designing keypads, design it with consistency in mind, because again, that comes with the ease of use. So the top button is always the room on button in every room. So your client's not even gonna have to look at the buttons or look at the keypads when they walk in every room. They just walk in, press that top button, the room comes on. It's their scene, the way they love that room. And then the bottom button is always the room off. So when they're walking out of the room, they know they just have to press the bottom button and the room goes off. So ease of use, consistency don't change the keypads around in each room. Always top, always bottom, room on, room off. Now the middle buttons could be anything. It could be individual load control, could be additional scenes, could be shade control, integration control. So that's where the flexibility comes in, and that's where you just want to, and again, in that initial design, you just want to put the keypads in convenient locations to control lighting. Last here is another ideas. So a welcome scene. Lights, a light scene. So a welcome scene could be at the entry from coming in from the garage. And there's always a welcome scene. So if you have guests with you, the home is lit beautifully in the way you like it when you enter that home is that welcome scene. The lights could be individual control of the lights, individual control of the lighting load. So we call it, could be a chandelier, could be recessed lighting in the kitchen, could be lamps in the family room. Shades, one button, open, close, stop, control. You could have a shades up, you could have a shades down button. There's a lot of flexibility in that. Draperies, so you could replace shades with drapes or have a shades button and a drapes button, depending on the ultimate control that your client would like in the homes. And then the scene, we used to call it the scene, is a learned toggle of a general scene, including common area loads. So pressing that button turns the scene on, and all the lights in that particular room come on to the dimmable level that your client wants. And you can give them that flexibility to change that scene at any time as they live in the home. And then that all off, as I mentioned, the all off scene.